guys, Lynn here at JVI Secret Gardens. This time on Garden Guides, we're going to kind of go over some of the pests that you might find in your houseplants. When you bring plants inside, you are increasing the chance of bringing pests inside. Some of your common houseplant pests include mealybugs, scale, fungus gnats, whiteflies, thrips, and spider mites. It's pretty important to identify any pests that you might have correctly so that you can properly treat them. Generally, depending on the plant, you can wash the leaves and stems in a steady stream of water, in the sink with a hose, or maybe in a bathtub. For resilient pests, you might need to prune back part of the plant, the parts that are most affected. There are a few pesticide options that are safe for indoor use. One of those includes neem oil. So neem oil, you're going to want to spray the top and bottom of your leaves, and especially aim for your really resilient pests like scale, and kind of scrub it into the leaves a little bit. Another good option for indoor use is going to be organic pesticides. Organic pesticides are those that are derived from natural materials like seeds and trees, flowers. There are chemicals that you can use, but if you're worried about bringing chemicals into your home and using them on your plants, organic is the way to go. Something I like to do in my home to prevent pests is to actually give my plants a bath pretty regularly, maybe once a month or so. If it's something that's a little bit more sensitive to water, like a snake plant, I might take a wet rag and just kind of wipe each leaf back and forth, just to be sure. A few alternatives to pesticides might be soapy water, rubbing alcohol, or vinegar, but some of your pests are going to be a little bit more resistant, so you might want to go with the neem oil or the organic insecticide. What we talked about in this video is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to pests and houseplants. Feel free to come in and talk to us. We'll try to figure out what's going on and we'll come up with a solution. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more garden guide videos, and also to catch up with our pond team and see what they're up to. And also check out our Instagram page to see what's going on at the garden center. Don't forget, if you have any more questions, feel free to come and see us. We'd love to help you out. One of the things I like to do with my houseplants at my